Yeah! Pump it up, pump it up, pump it up. Pump it up, pump it up, pump it up. Pump it up, pump it up, pump it up. Yeah! Hell yeah! Cut it off! Cut it off! That nigga said he had $1 million in a duffel bag. Everybody in this motherfucker be following that nigga. How everybody doing up in there tonight? That's right. Give it up for the comedians that came up here, Young Chisel, Young Sound. Give it up for the host, man. Nigga on some drugs or something. Nigga gotta be on dope, get up here and do that type of shit. I'm high, but I ain't that high. I'm high as a motherfucker right now. Everybody in here look little. All the big bitches look little and everything. Ah, damn. I ain't gonna forget my words and shit. He was like an ugly nigga in front of a pretty bitch. Oh, fuck. That's some cold shit, man. I'm gonna leave that nigga alone, man, 'cause it be days like that and shit. I wish y'all stopped talking. I'm high as fuck. I'm hearing voices. Y'all talking shit. Got other voices popping off in my head. Shut the fuck up over there. Ain't talking about nothing but how the chicken tastes. That's all. This ain't must be raw spices. This shit. Ooh, this Captain Jack spices here. You want to get this in Louisiana? No, what about that chick? I hear nothing about them spices and shit. Goddamn, I sure ain't missing a motherfucking meal. I'm eating like a motherfucker. I heard that shit over there. I bet you I miss more than you do, though. Ain't that a bitch gonna talk about like I ain't missing? Hell no, I ain't missing a meal. You know, a woman shake me, she I ain't missing shit. I like this type of weather. I love it. I love it. All these women, puss in boots everywhere. Puss in boots. I'm like, you don't know what to look at first. Her pussy or her face. She got them motherfucking tights on, caught up in that. Nigga down there crying when he look at the bitch. Like, monkeys be looking good, the motherfucker. They be big monkeys, little monkeys. Oh, just a monkey store around this motherfucker. My banana don't know what to do. They just out screaming, ooh, ah. I'm like, oh my God. I'd expect a nigga to walk through this club and all these monkeys just popping out of everywhere. But some of them monkeys can be put away. Put a shirt over them. Ain't no monkey supposed to be that big. What the fuck? Your shit looking like it's swollen or something. Like somebody been throwing baseballs at that motherfucker. I don't want no pussy that buff. Get back, bitch. And she wonder why bills ain't paid. Okay, bitch. Keep pulling out that buff pussy, scared nigga dick and shit. Oh, man. I'm high, so forgive me. No, life's like that sometimes. I get high like this, and I look at my kids, and I look at the retarded shit they do. You never be high and look at your kids and think they ain't yours? That's how high I've been in the world. Like, the fuck, he can't answer this problem. I done taught this nigga this shit all day. Come on with this homework when I'm high and shit. Gotta do a report, nigga, get out of here. You get high, and they want to ask you dumb questions like, where my name come from? Motherfucker, if you don't get out this room. Shit. Thinking about how to get rid of your mama right now. You're there fucking with me and shit. You fucked the whole plan off. You know I'm hot, I can't remember. I was talking about women and sex. Sex is good, but don't be sad and give a nigga no sex. I don't want no sad pussy. Ugh. You leave that motherfucker sad. You supposed to leave that motherfucker like I got some pussy. I want happy pussy. I don't want to be telling me all the problems and shit before we fuck. You done told me all these problems and shit. I'm fucked up in here, man. I don't know. I want to stay here. You got all kind of shit fucked up in your life. That's like men. Sometimes men, we talk too much. Try to get the pussy, you talk too much. You tell shit that ain't nobody supposed to know. You get all sensitive and shit. Me and you cool and shit. I can tell you things I ain't never told nobody. Me and you, I feel that way. She gonna lure you in with, go ahead. And your dumb ass gonna tell us some shit like, hey, when I was about 10, my Uncle Johnny touched me. And I be waking up with sweats and stomach aches and all kind of shit from that. Then you don't get no pussy. And she tell me, I see you at the club acting like a Mac. Fuck bitches, I don't give a fuck about no hoes. What about your Uncle Johnny, nigga? Stomach aches and sleeping and sweating and shit. You wasn't no Mac then, nigga. Motherfucker. And I hate them niggas like that. Fuck bitches, fuck hoes, I don't care about a bitch. What the fuck you care about, nigga? Who you like? That's why them niggas know he ain't gonna get no pussy. Ain't none of the bitches fuck these hoes, nigga, let's go. I'm in there getting my dick so this nigga don't fuck these hoes, let's go. That's like women always talking about that your friend. So we friends and the niggas jump on me at the club and you gonna help me? Yeah. Cause if you don't beat your ass when I wake up, bitch. Cause I beat my friend's ass if you don't help me fight. Cause I'm talking about, for real, if I wake up and you ain't got your makeup fucked up or something, and you just standing there holding your shit still, my shit all over the place, you need to get up and beat your ass, bitch. We friends. Cause I go to the club with my bitch and some bitches want to fight her, she fine. You know one of them nice women is just, yeah. You like, nigga, I'm with the baddest bitch in the club tonight, nigga. You do that walk when you walk in the club. You be like the nigga in the Spike Lee movie when he be on that thing. And then here goes some hater bitches in the corner hating on your bitch, and your bitch show you real tight who they is. Them the bitches over there, daddy. She on alert. You be like, you dancing with your bitch, you with them bitches. You already know you have to knock out the big bitch. You like, big bitch, I'm first. A little loudmouth bitch, I'm yeah. That bitch gonna run, yeah, okay. I already know what I'm gonna have to do. My bitch looking way too good to be fighting somebody. They had a couple of Patrons, she talking nasty over here. I'm gonna suck your dick, I'm gonna shoot your dick. You like, oh shit, ain't nobody fighting this bitch tonight. You're outside, you be like, bitch, get behind me. Get to the car, bitch, get to the car. You get home, you get some of the best head you ever had in your life. I'm talking about that head when you gotta look up at the stars and shit. You be scared to look down there if they think somebody down there helping her. elbow was drilling your knee, you wouldn't give a fuck if you had a hole in your leg, you wouldn't move from that spot. And then you be egging her on and shit. Remember when I punched the big bitch in the face? Crazy. When you fuck a woman and she grab your dick and tell you that she's never gonna do this to nobody else in life, we believe that shit at first. No, we really believe it. Right there at that moment, you be like, she'll really make you believe this is the first time she's ever done this to anybody. And she'll get on that motherfucker and do some you be sprung in the motherfucking. Then y'all break up and you shit with another motherfucker, he just happy for nothing. Waving at everybody. You mad in the motherfucker. Then you get back with her, you don't want to know who she fucked. You don't care about how good it was, you just want to know that you give him something. Nigga be like, man, hey, did you get that nigga some of that? Women be like, no, I didn't give him no I just gave him a little I got one more joke and I'm about to get out of here. I'm about to bring up your headliner. This dude is hilarious, so let me do this one more joke and I'm about to get up out of here. Oh, I'm tired. I need more weed. No, really. Hint. Oh, man. Can you guys be quiet, please? I'm telling you, throw me off with those voices. They telling me other shit that the other voices are telling me. The voices are telling me to be nice right now, so please, just be quiet for a second. Just 1 second. Whew. I got a little joke my dad told me a long time ago when I was a kid. It was a very funny little joke. It's a story about a little boy and a watch. Oh, shut that fucking phone off. Who has that ringtone? That was weird. The fuck? Take that retarded ringtone and shove it. There wasn't nothing sexy about that ringtone. Whoever that nigga is, he ain't getting no pussy. He ain't even got a ringtone in this day and age. Then you get pussy, you got a ringtone. They be like, that ringtone come on, she be like, that's him. Then you might have a ringtone that make her go, All right, let me tell you some last jokes. I go. A little boy busts in the room while his mom and dad was having sex. His dad told him, get the fuck out of this room. What the fuck is wrong with you, boy? Why would you bust in my room? Get out of here. So he runs in the other room. He's crying. His dad runs in there and he says, hey, little boy, if you don't tell nobody what you seen, I'll give you this gold watch. So the little boy said, Dad, I won't tell nobody what I seen. So he took the gold watch and he went to school that day and he's showing his gold watch to all of his friends. Yeah, nigga, gold watch. #1, gold watch, boy. Yeah, only one with a gold watch. Little boy walked up to him and said, hey, man, how you get that watch? He said, my mom and daddy's having sex. I busted in the room and my daddy gave me this watch. He said, shit, I want me a gold watch. I'll wait till my mom and daddy have sex. I'm going to bust in the room and I'm going to get me a watch. So he waited till his mom and dad was having sex. He busted in the room. His dad said, what the fuck you want? He said, I want a watch. He said, well, sit your motherfucking ass down and be quiet, little motherfucker. I'm out this bitch. Ricco the Great.
DJ White Folks.
All in favor of getting ripped and gone, and you're gonna have to call someone to drive you home. Say I. All in favor of getting super high, and you might start to feel like a bird that can fly. Say I.
Plug me in and watch me go. Bad on a whole ass nigga, don't give me no more. I'm on my second, fifth, or